Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't working. The infuser was stuck, and also it wasn't sensing the water properly. The tank that was in here prior, its little water float was actually makeshift glued on, and so the cap to it, and it wasn't moving properly, and so the machine couldn't sense that there was water in the tank or not. So we actually replaced the whole water reservoir, and then we performed a tune-up, replacing the brew infuser that's inside and replacing and lubricate the gasket and the moving shaft. So actually, when it actually brews and moves now, it's actually much quieter than it was before. It doesn't have that kind of sound going on. So here it is working, and we're gonna pull shot, test it. There it is. Just over 2 ounces. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. If you like our videos, please like our videos. And if you like all of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.